Hi, I'm Verity. I am a live illustrator and visual storyteller. And as part of my work, I do a lot of digital drawing using Procreate and Concepts apps. And I also do explainer animations using Adobe After Effects. Now, a few years ago, I started teaching colleagues within my industry how to use these different tools. And as an upshot of that, I've created a course on how to get started with After Effects. So this is like a nuts and bolts course to get you started, and with a particular emphasis on explainer animations. We're not talking lots of whizzy motion graphics, or there'll be plenty of whizzy stuff going on in there. But the idea is, yes, you'd be able to create an explainer animation either using your own drawings or illustrations that you've created yourself, or also I will give you a few pointers on where you can get some really nice assets to animate. So at the moment it's running at around 20 lessons, but there are also assignments for you to do because it can be really difficult to get started with animating if you don't actually know what you're going to animate. And also there are other resources which I think are really useful, that were useful for me while I was learning, and I will keep adding little bits to the course. And the idea is that I will also do an occasional Zoom call for questions and answers if you're getting stuck, because it is a self-guided course. There's no time limit on it. It's as long as I keep it on the site, and I don't have any plans on taking it away just now. And so also you've got access to a few free lessons to get a feel for my teaching style, to see if you like it, to see if it works for you. I'd say it's not that I've made it fast-paced. I think it's at a pace that you can learn easily at. There's a lot of stuff out there on YouTube which is done at whiplash speed, and if you don't want to just keep going backwards and forwards on your video, I think this works really well. But anyway, take a look, and I hope to see you inside the course.